Welcome student, I am here to start the lecture on the mathematics for the daily basis. Today we have to take the special cases for the triangle, and now we are right. If we take the right triangle, which is the right angle, and this value is x, and this value is e raised to power 3 2x, and this value is e raised to power 2x. If you have to find the value of ex, so using the Pythagoras theorem to solve these values, okay, you know the Pythagoras theorem is base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. You know which is the perpendicular, which is base. If we have take the right angle, so this is called the hypotenuse. This is called the hypotenuse. This will be the base, and this will be the perpendicular. This will be the perpendicular. Okay. We put these values. Ex square, which is the base, 2ex, which is perpendicular, and e raised to power 2x, which is this. Okay. After simplification, e raised to power 4x, e raised to power 6x. Okay. Now we take e raised to power 2x common in both sides. E raised to power common in both sides. 2x, e raised to power 2x. Okay. Now this will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. 1 plus e raised to power 2x, e raised to power 2x, dot e raised to power 2x, e raised to power 4x, and now we have take the value of ex. We have take the value of ex. Negative 1. This, and taking square root of both sides, e raised to power x, e raised to power x, 4x negative 1. These are the relations in this function which is the right triangle. You learn it, and they subscribe my channel. Thank you.